you doing, sir?
Could be better.
So what happened?
So I came down this afternoon to get some shit out of my car. It's parked in the garage, and I found this. Left the police department about 2:30. Went down to some fucking
2:30 yesterday.
afternoon.
Afternoon. Okay.
Went to meet some guys from Axon down at the place on Montview and Dayton, Stanley.
Okay.
Stanley
Yeah.
Marketplace.
Yeah.
Had some food. Was on my way home. Got home about 7:15, and
It's been parked here since.
it's been parked here since. So something happened between the police department, Stanley Marketplace, and here.
Okay.
The spot I was parked in at Stanley Marketplace, there's no way that this could have happened.
Okay.
I was distracted on the way home last night. I was fighting with my wife because she was not happy that I was not home yesterday. It's my normal day off.
Yeah.
And I thought I hit a piece of debris in the roadway on Colfax Avenue. Didn't really think anything about it. It caught my attention. It was one of those things where I looked up in the mirror and I was like, you know, what the fuck is that?
Yeah.
And I'm thinking I might have fucking clipped somebody on Colfax Avenue.
Okay. You remember where on Colfax?
Probably old Colfax, probably around the Fox Theater area.
Okay. Okay.
So if you guys got any like hit and run accidents or anything, this is probably it.
Okay. I'll look and see if there's anything there. I think son Jeffrey's on his way over. So
Who's that?
Jeffrey.
Oh yeah,
He
gotcha.
take some pictures and
Okay.
But
Cool.
Sorry-
Sorry to have you out here.
No
Are
worries.
Are you a traffic or District
No.
3? Okay.
District 3. Traffic doesn't work down here on weekends.
Oh, they don't? Oh,
Because traffic accidents don't happen on the weekend.
gotcha.
Alright, give me a few. Do you by chance have your ID on you?
Yeah. Wait a minute.
He doesn't know.
Thought I had the registration in here. I don't.
Okay.
Got an insurance card? I have one.
Yeah, it's the same. I didn't. How is it? Drug conversation. You